Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to clear WhatsApp storage space. Please make sure to watch this video until the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes in this process. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright, the first step you need to do is open up your WhatsApp app on your phone and then go to your chats, and then from there click on the three vertical dots on your top right hand corner of your screen, and then you'll see a settings option. Click into that, and then from here you want to find storage and data. Once you found that, tap into it and then click into manage storage. Should be at the top of your screen, and then from here where it says chats, this is all your chats you have on WhatsApp and the size of each chat. So if you want to delete any chats from here, just click into it and then click on select all, and then click on the rubbish bin there to delete those images or videos, and that's cleared up 9.2 megabytes of data. So just go ahead and do that with the chats that you want to clear up, and then that will free up a lot of space on your phone. Another way to clear up data on your phone is to go back to the main screen, click and hold onto WhatsApp, and then click on the little I button next to it, and then from here where it says storage, go ahead and click on clear cache, and this will clear up 2.26 megabytes of data. And also you can click on clear data as well, and that will clear up a lot of space on your phone. But just be careful, if you go ahead and clear data, that will clear all your chats and all your images and videos that you sent to people. So yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.